3, 2, 1, go!
Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from Group 3. Today we want to present our Group Project 2, which is PC Proposal. For introduction, the client, Nawal, is a new student at UiTM. She wishes to purchase a new computer to fulfill her academic requirements. She needs a computer capable of running utility software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. Not only that, but she must also use programming tools such as VB.NET and C++, as well as authoring applications such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. The computer should also be able to handle huge graphics for gaming and a good sound system for playing movie on CDs or DVDs. In order to save her data on the computer, the customer also wants a sufficient storage capacity. We will present a full system definition of Nawal based on the client demands.
The first computer specification that we choose is the Asus ROG Strix B360F Gaming. The Asus ROG Strix B360F Gaming board is set in a simpler and cleaner looking package. The motherboard is an ATX size motherboard, so you will be able to install this to any full or mid tower case. It also comes with a pre-mounted I/O board, so you won't have to worry about fitting a metal plate right at the back of it. Plus, it will also give you a dash of vibrant RGB lights to stylize and add hints of color to your PC interior. There are many features in this motherboard. The first one is LGA1151 socket. It is ready for 8th Gen Intel Core desktop processor. Number 2 is Aura Cine RGB. It is synchronized LED lighting with a vast portfolio of compatible PC gear including RGB strips. Number 3, Easy DIY. It is pre-mounted I/O shield, Asus ROG slot, and premium component for maximum endurance. Number 4, 3D printing friendly design. It is dedicated 3D mount, make quick work of fitting 3D printed parts. Number 5, onboard M.2 heatsinks. It is cool M.2 drive to deliver consistent storage performance and enhance reliability. Number 6, advanced cooling. Advanced cooling has automated system whitening and cooling profiles that are tailor-made for your rigs. Number 7, gaming audio. In this motherboard, gaming audio has Supreme FX-S1220A teamed with Sonic Studio 3 creates immersive aural landscape. Number 8, gaming connectivity. It has a dual M.2 and USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A and Type C connector. And lastly is gaming networking. In this gaming networking, it has Intel Gigabit Internet, LAN guard, and game first for smoother, safer, lag-free online play.
A computer case is an enclosure that contains most of the components of a personal computer, usually excluding the display, keyboard, and mouse. Cases are usually constructed from steel, aluminum, and plastic. Other materials such as glass, wood, and even Lego bricks have appeared in home-built cases. The computer case serves critical functions much as skin does for the human body. System cases protect the computer case, hard drive, motherboard, and other internal components for advanced blade servers, computer network, or small desktop units. The case of a desktop computer houses the internal components such as the power supply, motherboard, central processing unit CPU, memory disk drive, and assorted adapter cards. Cases are typically made of plastic, steel, or aluminium and provide the framework to support, protect, and cool the internal components. This is the example of computer case NZXT H210i desktop computer case. The detail of this computer case is 1. This mini ITX tower is an excellent case for smaller form factor builds plus 2 RGB strips, intuitive RGB and fan control with NZXT cam. The H210 is easy to build and offers flexibility for a variety of mini ITX parts. The new smart device V2 with a faster microprocessor with 2 RGB LED strips. Next, USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel, iconic cable management bar and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel, cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps. Front panels and PSU intake include removable filters and includes a removable breaker designed for radiator up to 240.
And for this slide, it will talk about hardware, which is the hardware is the physical component of a computer and related device. It will show the processor that have been chosen, which is the Intel Core i9 X series processor that the price is 1,310 Malaysia. The specification in its product collection is Intel Core X series processor. Vertical segment, desktop maximum memory size depend on the memory type, which is 256 GB. Maximum frequency is 4.5 and processor base frequency is 3.7. We are recommend to this Intel Core i9 X series processor to Nurul because it comes with an Intel processor number. It's just one of several factors along with processor brand, system synchronization, and system level benchmark to be considered when choosing the right processor. Computer needs, which is i9 10900X. It is also a gift benefit to Nurul because this processor is the most powerful and intercore line that it is a faster and considerably more powerful. In addition, it is also future-proof for the next generation, which is currently capable of high-definition gaming, high-resolution, and multitask video and audio editing and intensive and simultaneous use of resource-intensive applications. In a nutshell, we can see that this processor gives benefit and provide utilities and will give it easy for now in education or multitasking in doing editing easily. And next, for this graphic card, we will choose AMD Radeon RX 6800XT Type 16G OC, which is the price is 670 ringgit Malaysia. It consists block, which is GPU and memory that includes block, boost clock, game clock, and glitch clock. It has key specification and also key features that include polychrome thickness, Taichi 3X cooling system, strap axial fan, a reinforced metal frame, ARGB, metal backplate, ODB silent cooling, dual BIOS, and super alloy graphic card. This graphic card gives benefit to Nurul because it has rock brace the card with a metal plate and a parallel plate on the other outside, below the heatsink. The Type X is the surprising sagging free for a card of its size. Simply screw in the expansion bracket and go. So this is perfect for Nurul to do its assignment that involving editing without thinking about lagging and will not responding. And next, we can see for system memory that we are chosen is Keystone 40 bits DDR5 RGB memory. This is the price is 261 ringgit Malaysia. We have capacity for the single is 8 GB, 16 GB and 32 GB for the kit of 2 is 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB. The speed is 4,800 and 5,200, 5,600 and 6,000. The latency is CL38, CL40. The voltage is 1.1, 1.25 and 1.35. The operating temperature is 0 Celsius to 85 Celsius. The dimension is 133.35 mm, 42.23 mm, and 7.11 mm. The vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized with Keystone 40 CTRL software and patent influence SYAHIR technology, as well as the new heat speed design distinguishing in out of the game. Furthermore, Keystone 40 based DDR5 RGB support plug and play automatic overclocking at 4800 and Intel XM 3.0, a new overclocking specification with 2 customizable profile. 100 speed tested and backed by a lifetime warranty. The feature of RGB lighting has been improved with a new heat speed design. One Intel XMP 3.0 ready with certified Keystone 40 infrared sensing technology TM certification from the world leading motherboard manufacturers, and overclocking stability has been improved at 4800 plug and play. For this slide, we already choose a disk for Nurul, which is the disk is Asus FX external hard drive, which is the price is 324 ringgit Malaysia and 99 cents. The detail is Asus Aura Cygnus RGB lighting technology from synchronization with Aura enabled component and peripheral. 5 Gbps USB 3.1 Gen 1 for high-speed data transmission. High reliability is ensured by trying shock vibration and 24 hours for 7 stress testing. A futuristic pattern that suits any gaming setup. Bundle software for a full backup solution including PC and mobile data, social media and cloud storage. Secure 256 bit AES encryption and data compression. Asus FX hard drive is designed for gamer and gaming enthusiasts with a futuristic pattern and design that complement distinct personality. The use of advanced 5-axis engraving and double injection molding technology yields a more delicate and durable surface that not only provide a better grip to avoid accident drop, but also prevent fingerprint smooths. It is very look premium with its design. It will support Nurul to do her work and will not lag if Nurul want to play game and do a gaming session. And next, for the DVD room, we are suggest of LG Electronic X USB 2.0 soft super multi ultra slim portable DVD reader driver with RW SNS driver with MD support, which is the price is only 210 ringgit Malaysia. For the detail, it's only 14mm height ultra slim portable DVD writer drive. It uses USB 2.0 interface up to 418 MB and also use USB 3.0 compatible. Its maximum 8 DVD-R write speed and maximum 24 CD write speed. It is a slim design. Video memory requirement 64 MB or higher, which is 128 MB recommend. It is with SABERI software and MDs. This LG Electronic X8 X USB 2.4 supplementary ultra slim portable DVD reader is suitable for now because it had a slim good interface which is with a slim design, and a video memory requirement is of 64 higher. This operating system is for Mac OS and also Windows 10. It is suitable if Nurul use any operating system because it supports both. Nurul can connect this DVD using a mini USB port only. It is making it easy for Nurul because no need to looking another wire or another connector. A set of instruction, data or program used to operate computer and carry out specific tasks is referred to as a software. For this slide, it shows about software. That is Microsoft Office 365. Microsoft 365, popularly Office 365, is a Microsoft subscription service that complements and includes the Microsoft Office product line. Here are the examples of Microsoft Office 365 such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook, and also Microsoft OneNote. The price of this Microsoft Office 365 is only 169 ringgit Malaysia, and it is available at Shopee. It is suitable to help Nurul do assignment and for doing her notes. Nurul also can use the Microsoft Office 365 for education and use the Microsoft PowerPoint to make a slide presentation. Adobe Creative Suite CS is a discontinued software suite from Adobe system that include graphic, design, video editing, and web development applications. Its edition includes several Adobe applications such as Adobe Creative Suite 6 is known as CS6. The most recent version of the Creation Suite was released on 7 May 2012, following a release event on 23 April 2012. CS6 was the last of Adobe design tool to be physically shipped in a box, as future release and update will be delivered only via download. This type of software is a discontinued software suite for graphic design, video editing, and if you want to edit the picture. It includes Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Adobe Illustration, Adobe InDesign, and many more. Each Adobe has its faculties and have different functions, also features. The price for the Adobe Creative Suite is only 125 ringgit Malaysia, and it is available at Shopee. It's quite suitable for Nurul because she can edit and make something such as photo or infographic using all of these Adobe. Next slide is input device. First is keyboard. The name of this keyboard is Razer Synosa V2 Chroma RGB Black Lead Membrane Gaming Keyboard Razer. The price is Rp189. It is available at Shopee, and there are a keyboard technical specification on the slides. Next input device is mouse. It is HP M160 gaming mouse with moving LED effects. It is 1000 dpi and it is optical USB, and the mouse has 3 buttons. The price is Rp12.80. It is available at Shopee, and there is mouse specification there.
Any hardware device used to send data from a computer to another device or user is referred to as an output device. Most output peripherals are designed for human use, so there is process data from the computer and convert it to audio, video, or physical reproduction. Monitor and projector, which is for video, headphone and speaker for audio, and printer, uploader, and plotter are common examples of output device for physical reproduction in the form of text or graphic. For the output device, it shows speaker that is stereo speaker Z120. Its price is only Rp48. The specification is total watt RMS is only 1.2 watt, 3.5mm input, only one, USB cable for power, only one, control power and volume control on the right speaker. For dimension, height 110mm, weight 19mm, and depth 88mm, weight 0.25 kg. System requirement: USB port for power. Headphone jack is 3.5mm on the device for audio. Okay, this speaker is very recommended to Nawal because it will most likely meet her preference and interest. It has total watt only 1.2 watt. It can control track power and volume control on the right speaker. The speaker is small, easy to bring anywhere, and light. The system requirement that is used by this speaker is a USB port for power and can use a headphone jack of 3.5mm on the device for audio. This speaker have decent aesthetic that will match with the Nawal desktop and need to be set up with a little bit of flexibility to match. The overall construction of the speaker is solid, housed in the matte white hard plastic shell that has a substantial weight to it, making it a little bit more premium. For this slide, it's all about printer, which is the brand is MG3670. The price is only Rp359 Malaysia. The dimension is approach 449, the dimension is 304, and the height is 152mm. The weight is 5.4 kg, and the interface is wireless LAN, USB 2.0 high speed. The paper size is A4, A5, and B5. It also have a custom size in and scissor, which is a dot count. Canon print service plug-in on Android OS also available, and Pisma Cloud link from smartphone or tablet also available. This printer is targeted to Nawal because it is a fast, affordable, and quick interesting. It allows Nawal to print fast. This printer can express individually with the wireless photo all-in-one Pisma MG3617. Print and scan remotely with Nawal Smart mobile device and from popular cloud service. This printer also gives recommended monthly print volume, which is 30 and until 100 pages, but the maximum printing resolution is 4,800. This is an ink and scissor which is dot count. It also support media for auto to side printing, where the type is plain paper and the size is A4 or later. To get and keep the printer performance, the Canon printer cleans automatically according to its condition. The cleaning function helps the printer to suck air bubble or ink itself from the nose and thus prevent print quality degradation for nose closing.
Next is for the pricing of the total price for all these components is 4,387.79 ringgit. It is worth it to have all these copy components because it still suits now. All neat, and now I can get this component easily at any PC store nearby or order it via online.
Conclusion: we can conclude that all things fulfill the student requirements. This is because all of the computer specifications are reasonably priced and of high quality. Aside from that, the entire price of the item is less than 50,000 ringgit, which is totally reasonable given the quality and brand. Other than that, getting a full set of multi-purpose computer depends not only on the brand but also on the details of the computer specs and its part. We feel that the computer specs we offer are acceptable for now's use since they are efficient and up to date, while some of them could be pretty pricey. It is essential to purchase at a high quality price so that Nawal does not have any issues in the future.